Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, let x be a continuous random variable with the probability density function, that is the PDF, given by the function fx is equal to 1 by 2 plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. Then expectation of x square is equal to, expectation of x squared is equal to x squared into fx dx, that is x squared by 2 plus x squared to the power 3 by 2 dx. Now let us take x to be root 2 into tan theta. Then we'll get dx to be equal to root 2 sec squared theta d theta. Now substituting the value of x and dx over here, we get now since x has been changed to tan theta, the limits would also change. So this becomes from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 and 2 into tan squared theta by 2 to the power 3 by 2 1 plus tan squared theta into root 2 sec squared theta d theta, and this 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 by 2, so this cancels out and this comes out to be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 tan squared theta into sec squared theta by sec squared theta, since 1 plus tan squared theta is equal to sec squared d theta into d theta. Again this sec squared theta cancels out, so we're left with minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 tan squared theta d theta. Now on integration of this, we get this to be tan theta minus theta, and the limits ranging from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this gives us infinity minus pi by 2 to minus infinity plus pi by 2, which tends to infinity. Therefore, expectation of x square does not exist. So the correct answer is option D. The next question is, let x1, x2 up to xn be a sequence of IIT normal 0, 1 random variables. Then as n tends to infinity, 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 up to n xi square converges in probability 2. Well, we have been given that x follows normal 0, 1. Therefore, expectation xi is equal to 0 and variance xi is equal to 1. We can calculate the value of xi square from here, expectation xi square from here, which is variance xi plus expectation xi whole squared. So this is 1 plus 0 squared, which is 1. Now, as n tends to infinity, summation xi squared converges in probability to expectation summation xi squared I ranging from 1 to n, which is equal to n. Since expectation xi squared is equal to 1 and I ranges from 1 to n, thus this expectation ranges to n is equal to n. So, as n tends to infinity, 1 by n summation xi squared would tend to 1 by n into n, which is equal to 1. Therefore, the correct option is option C.